Hello friends, this is Medavi. Today we have to work on interfacing of LED with PIC microcontroller. For writing this code, we are using MicroC Pro compiler, and for debugging we will use Proteus. For those who are working on MicroPro3 for the first time, software for first time, and want to make project in MicroC project, I have put the link in the comment box. I have already written the code, and for explaining I am going through the code step by step. Now open MicroC Pro software. This is our software, MicroC Pro. This is our code. In this we are using one delay function. This is for void main. Then while one we have to working on PIC 18F458 series. So void main, then while one, this program operate infinite time. TRISB is a register for giving input or output. Suppose if we have to work on LED output pin, this port B is work as an output port, then give 0 for that pin. If this port is work as an input pin, then give 1 to this pin. Means you have to connect LED is an output device, so you have to give 0 for output. If to connect switches, then give input to the TRIS register. We are using port B. Let me show the circuit with the help of Proteus. This is our Proteus design. This is our PIC 18F458 IC. 5 ports are there: port A, port B, port C, port D, and port E. A have 7 pins: RA0 to RA7, PB0 to PB7, it's a 8 pins. RC0 to RC7, it's also a RB0 to RB7, 8 pins. RC0 to RC7 for 8 pin. RD0 to RD7, 8 pins, and only 3 pins for RE port, means E port. Total 5 ports are there. This is 7, this is 8, 8, 8, and this is for 3 pin. So we have to connect LEDs with port B, means 8 LEDs are connected. One LED is connected PB0, then PB1 up to PB7. This is our circuit. So I have to write code for same. TRISB, its output device, means each LED is work as a 1 1 1 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, means each is LED 1, means each is work as a input. You have to give 0 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, all are work as output. So we have to work on output device, so we have to give 0 0. Then all LED on, port B all LED on. FF means 1, 8 times 1, then after some delay it's off. Delay means go to the delay function 5000, I value will be 5000. This loop operate up to 5000. After it terminated, then off, then again 5000 time operate, then again this program operate infinite times. Then this one is a built it. File successfully, finish successfully. Then after that go to the Proteus. This is our design. Double click on the IC, then go to the program files, enter the hex file. File name is LED1. So go to the LED1 hex file, then OK, then play. This is our system operated. Suppose you have to work on, by default delay is already defined in the header file, so you have to use that delay. Another file. This is our file project. This header file, this function is delay function is already given on the header file, so you have to not use any delay. You have to use this delay. This delay is already inbuilt on header file. So trace be same as for output device. We have to work on output device, then LED is connected, then give 0 0, then already on, then already off. After that you have to provide some delay. 5500 means it's 500 millisecond. Delay underscore ms. 5000 means 500 means 500 millisecond, 1000 means 1000 millisecond, equal to 1 second. According to your choice, you give the delay. After that, build. Then open Proteus. Okay, zoom it. Same Proteus is there, only code is different. So double click. File name is, what file name is? LED3. So go to the Proteus, select LED with delay, LED3 dot, then OK. After that, play. This delay is for 50 milliseconds. Suppose we have to write code for 1 on 1 off, 1 on 1 off, means code is 8421. Combination hex file of this one is A. Is all on. In this case, alternate of 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0, sorry, 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1, means combination is 845 55. Okay, in place of 0 to write 55. So alternate on off. After that, build, go to the Proteus, first stop. After that, double click on the IC, then file name is same, then OK, then okay, alternate on off. Thank you very much.